Well, hey everybody. Miriam's off and about. I figure I better do this now or else I'm going to forget. Today's day 2 of doing the 7 days of Keto Chow challenge. Two crazy ketos wanted to do it. We decided to join in. And day 2, it's been interesting. Well, so day 0, I guess you could say, before I started it, I checked my ketones. That's at zero point 0.4. I mean, it's not the best number, but it's actually not bad. Last night I checked again. Hey, 1 day of doing Keto Chow only is at 1.7. We'll see how I look tonight. I actually just checked my blood ketones a couple of seconds ago. What are we at? Oh, crap. I got to go around the horn. I'll come back to that. I think I was at 0.9, which, again, isn't bad. In fact, it means I'm generating ketones. I'm in ketosis, which is burning ketones. It's all good. But anyway, so Miriam yesterday, she's like, I kind of messed up on our first day. I'm like, what'd you do? Eat the macadamia nuts I kept on looking at? And she's like, no, I forgot to eat. So she completely spaced eating lunch yesterday. I can understand that. I've done that before. But day 2 going on right now. So if you've never done 3 meals of Keto Chow a day and your body's not used to it, take a probiotic, because if you don't, you're going to have problems. Even if you do, you might still have problems. My experience is that tends to be a lot of stuff in your digestive system that's just kind of hanging out, and it comes out when you do just Keto Chow for 3 meals a day. Probably TMI, but there you go. So day 2 tends to be kind of rough if you've never done it before. So if anybody else out there, hey, just a heads up. Probiotics help a lot. I tend to always forget to take them, and it stinks. The interesting thing is, when you start a ketogenic diet, even not just Keto Chow, the saying is always, don't trust a fart. Anyway, again, TMI. Miriam's probably glad that she's not here for all this. That's day 2 going along. Catch you all later.